AI companions are getting really good at making you feel understood. They listen, they don't judge you, they're always there. And for somebody who's lonely, that can feel incredible. But here's the question nobody wants to ask. What happens when talking to AI becomes easier than talking to actual human beings? Because real relationships are messy. People disagree with you, they get distracted, they hurt your feelings, and sometimes they need you to listen to them. On the other hand, AI doesn't work that way. It can be patient, supportive, and personalized around you almost all the time. And research is starting to show something really interesting. AI companions may help people feel happier and less lonely in the short term, but heavier use has also been linked with more loneliness, emotional dependency, and less interaction with real people over time, aka human beings. Now get this, the danger might not be AI companionship itself. It might be what happens when it becomes your default relationship. Because if you stop dealing with rejection, awkward conversations, compromise, or conflict, you stop practicing the exact skills real relationships require. And there's another weird part too. You can generally become attracted to an AI. You can fall love, jealousy, even grief. But the AI isn't actually experiencing any of this back. So maybe the best way to use AI companionship isn't as a replacement for people, obviously not, but as a bridge back to them. Because AI might make you feel understood tonight, but if real people eventually start feeling like too much work for you, what happens then?